to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Wednesday, guys. Wednesday is our Walmart Ibotta haul. We have some pretty decent deals going on where we're going to be picking up some laundry care items and some awesome food deals. So stay tuned for that. I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below so you guys can just print it out and take it with you guys for an easy couponing trip. And more exciting news, I'm almost hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. So subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and thank you so much for the returning subscribers for all your love and support. Now, definitely let's go in store and grab these deals. Our first deal is on laundry care. The Tide Laundry Stain Remover is priced at $4.97. There is a $3 mail-in rebate that you can go ahead and fill it out and mail it out. You'll be getting back an additional $3. On the tag, it has like all the information, like how to process the rebate. Plus, you're going to get back $1 from Ibotta and a 1,000 points, which is $1 from Fetch Rewards. It's going to make your calls completely free. Next laundry care deal is on the Suavitel fabric softener. So these are priced at $8.47. So it does have to be the 120 ounce. So there is a rebate over on checkout 51 for $1.40 back. And you're going to submit your receipt to Shopkick for 360 kicks. You're going to multiply that by 0.004. The cash value of that is going to be $1.44. You're also going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks for $2 cash back. It's going to make your final cost just $3.63 for this big fabric softener, which is about 57% savings, which is pretty awesome. Our next deal is on the Glade air freshener sprays. So you want to go ahead and pick up the ones that are priced at $2.28. For both, it's going to be $4.56. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back when you purchase 2, and to the Shopmium app for $1.50 cash back when you buy 2. It's going to make your final cost just $1.56 for both, or 78 cents a piece, guys, which is a pretty awesome deal. Go ahead and pick it up if you guys definitely need this product. All right, our next deal is on the chorizos. So these are priced at $1.64. It has to be the beef one. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, and to the Shopmium app for 55 cents cash back. It's going to make your final cost just 99 cents for one of these products, which is an awesome deal. Our next deal is on the Martha White's muffin mix. So these are priced at $1.08. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for 20 cents cash back. It's going to make your final cost just 88 cents. So our next deal is on the Kinder's spices, seasonings. These are priced at $1.98, and there's a lot to choose from. I mean, there's like 5 options. So you want to go ahead and pick up 2 for $3.96. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.16 cash back when you purchase 2. It's going to make your final cost just $1.80 for both, or 90 cents a piece, guys, which is pretty awesome for seasonings, and they're a lot cheaper than the Walmart brand, about like 10 cents less. So go ahead and pick it up if you guys definitely want to try out these products. Next deal is on the Bumblebee's tuna pouches. So they're on rollback for $1. So you're going to go ahead and pick up a 1, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents cash back, and there's also an Ibotta bonus for 10 cents cash back. It's going to make your final cost for 1 tuna pouch just 65 cents. Our next deal is on the Axe body washes. These are priced at $4.97. There is a rebate on Ibotta for $2 cash back, and on the Shopmium app for $2 cash back. It's going to make your final cost just 97 cents. You could also go ahead and pick up the Axe deodorants. They're also priced at $4.97. So you could only, do one or the other. So with the rebates and the cash back, it's going to make your final cost just 97 cents as well. Next deal is on the U by Kotex liners. You can go ahead and pick up the 50 count. They're priced at $3.14. Or you could also go ahead and pick up the 40 count, which are also $3.14. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of the 50 count. which is going to be a total of $6.28. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back and to the Shopmium app for $4 cash back. It's going to make your final cost just 78 cents for both, or 39 cents each, which is a pretty awesome deal. Alright guys, so these are all the items that I'm going to be picking up today. So I'm going to be showing you guys the receipts and all that amazing good stuff and how much I actually did get back. Alright guys, so this is the receipt. So I picked up the muffins. They were priced at $1.08. The tuna pouches, I picked up 3 because hello, that was a pretty good deal. And we could use that for lunches. I also went ahead and I picked up the Axe body washes, which were priced at $4.97. The pork chorizo, which I accidentally picked up the wrong one. It has to be the beef chorizo. I don't know why I picked up the pork. I don't know why. The Ibotta rebate did not work for that. I also went ahead and I picked up the seasonings, which were priced at $2.16, and the 50 count panty liners, $3.14. So my subtotal was $20.06, and my employee discount took off $1.23. So I paid out of pocket $20.34. All right, guys, so this is where the magic happened. So I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $6.71 cash back. And I also submitted my receipt to the Shopmium app, and I got back $6.55 cash back. That is a total of $13.26 in cashback rebates, guys, which is amazing. So it makes my final cash cost for this whole scenario just $7.08, guys, which is amazing. If you guys are new to Ibotta, do not forget to sign up and use my referral link down below. When you do sign up and submit your first receipt, you will earn additional $5 cash back, which is absolutely amazing. I also have all my referral links for the other rebate apps down below for you guys, so you guys could definitely sign up and take advantage of those amazing bonuses. And I am so thankful for you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.